Hello friends, how are we doing today? Today's video is a little bit different. I am absolutely exhausted, like I alluded to in my last video. I don't have any videos prepped. I don't have any videos, well, I have a lot of videos planned, but nothing is prepped that I can produce yet. So I was really tired today. It is literally the day is almost gone. I think it's 5 o'clock right now, and I have a video that needs to go up tomorrow, Sunday. So I almost just didn't post a video. I was like this close, but like I don't want to ruin my streak. My motivation to not ruin my streak is stronger than my demotivation and tiredness and exhaustion to want to do nothing. I'm gonna do some random things in this video, and if you don't like this video, I totally understand, and there will be better content in the future. So we can just have like a chill day together, well, night, I guess, because it's already like 5. I just ordered some groceries online and I came up with a menu plan, and I filmed the recipes I picked out, so I'll talk to you guys about those in a second. But I have to do some cleaning and I don't want to. It's nothing intense. It's just like I am exhausted and I'm only cleaning because I'm trying to be productive, not because I care at all or that I even want to. So that's where we're at today. I have so many videos in the works that require a lot of time to prepare. So here's where we're at. So I hope you enjoy a video of me cleaning, and I'll do a grocery haul because I bought from both Publix and Whole Foods today because I needed things from both places. So if you're just having a chill Sunday or you don't want to clean either, this is the video for you because I just want to sleep, but there's no time. Hello, Editing Melissa here. So I just wanted to jump on really quick to explain that the next few clips are of Nick and I. We went on a walk with Sunny in his new stroller that his aunt and uncle gave him. So I just thought it was super cute and I want to include that. But also I was editing the video and I realized I changed my shirt 3 times during the span of the video, and I wonder why I have so much laundry to do at all times. Literally 3 times. So back to the regularly scheduled programming. The theme of this week's dinner recipes, or meal plan, I should say, is easy recipes. I literally Googled easy dinner recipes, and what I do is I just make dinner recipes that are about 4 portions or so, and then Nick and I have leftovers to eat the next day for lunches. So I don't make separate lunches, I just eat leftovers for lunches, if that makes sense. So the first recipe that I decided I would make is the creamy pesto gnocchi. Now this is something that I don't really use a recipe for, I just kind of throw it together, but you'll see my whole grocery haul a little bit later. Then I also wanted to make some crock pot taco meat. I have literally never done this before, but it sounded like it would be a super easy way to have like a meat for dinner later, and then tacos are so easy to put together. My next dish I wanted to make was chicken mushroom pasta. So again, super easy, just make some chicken cutlets maybe, cut up some chicken, cut up some mushrooms, boil pasta, bam, you have another dinner. So that's my idea for this week. There was some random ingredients in here, so I got what I could from the grocery store, and if I'm missing something, I'll either substitute it or try something else. And then next we have barbecue chicken burgers. This has been on my to-do list or my to make list for so long. It just sounds absolutely amazing. I have some Alexia fries in my freezer, so I'll make that and then I'll pair it with some sort of vegetable. We'll do that when we can. And then some Swedish meatballs. I literally thought of IKEA when I saw this recipe, so I was like, awesome, let's make an IKEA recipe for this week. I'll pair it with like rice or potatoes or something. Who the heck knows? So if you want the recipes, just pause the screen or I can link them down below if you want. But now it is time for us to do some cleaning. I first started off with my desk because this was getting so out of hand. Yes, you can see all my drinks. That was kind of embarrassing, but I needed to get this all cleaned. It was just, oh my goodness. And I also was doing laundry at the same time and making a pile for returns. So I can do that in a vlog later. But this is kind of like a temporary desk setup. I bought this standing desk, so that little clear basket with all of like the tech accessories, that is just temporary. The desk being there is also temporary. We just didn't know where to put it because I needed a standing desk to do work at. This one is electric, so I can just like push the button, it'll go up and down, which is so helpful. I then moved on to the kitchen area because this place is also getting out of hand. You can see Sunny in the corner. He is just straight snoozing. But since we got the puppy and he's been predominantly in the living room area, it's because right now he's going through like a biting phase and he's still getting potty trained, so he needs pee pads. Long story short, oh, there's me loving on him. He's so cute. He needs to be in the living room just so he's safe, and then we're also not damaging our apartment at the same time. And if you notice those 2 bins that I was moving, that is our cleaning supplies and his pet supplies that we can have on hand. Those have to stay out because I'm cleaning this carpet constantly. I'm keeping all of my blankets protected by folding them and putting them on the back of the couch. He's too little to jump on top of the couch yet, so anything that I push back is protected from his little bitey mouth. But yeah, I'm still adjusting to be a new puppy mom. I'm still working. I'm still doing YouTube. I'm still doing everything else that I had before as far as my responsibilities, but now I have the added addition of being a puppy mom. And like I said in the past, change is kind of hard for me, so things get out of hand in my apartment. All the Publix stuff came, so I'm gonna do a quick little haul. Some of the stuff I needed for the recipes that I already showed you, and some of the stuff was just random like snacks for Nick and I, or you'll see, I'll get into it. There's some random stuff in here. And I already have vegetables in my fridge, so this wasn't very vegetable heavy, but I do have them already on hand from my last grocery trip. So here is everything from Publix. I'll go into it all because this is one of those like random hauls. So I got Nick some oatmeal. He likes the maple and brown sugar. I got these for him to try. This one's like a protein one, and this one is just a cup version. So those are for him. These were BOGO at Publix, buy one get one free. So they're the roasted red potato and green beans. They're so good. My omelets for breakfast. I get these beauty shots sometimes. They have probiotics in them. They're really good. So got those for me. Tortillas for tacos. Here's a little treat corner. So I've never had these. I got the bark thins, dark chocolate pretzel and sea salt, and then these Unreal candy bars. They just taste way better to me than the original, so I get those. This was an accident. I only meant to get one. So can you freeze cupcakes? I don't even know. There's no way we're eating 12 cupcakes in a week. Impossible. I wanted some salt and vinegar chips, so I got these. I don't know if they're gonna be any good, but I'm gonna try them out. This is a staple snack for Nick. It's the buffalo pretzel chips. I like them too, but we have those always on hand for him, so I just stocked back up. And then we got these for him. This is kind of funny, but he hasn't had Lunchables in years. We were feeling a little nostalgic, so we got him the pizza one, and then this random like ham and cheese one. Strawberries, carrots. I think I had this in the cart for like last week's recipes, so it'll get used up. Okay, now these things. I know there's so many, but these were buy one get one free, and I've been loving them. They're little everything bagels with veggie cream cheese, and they're just like little bagel bites, so you can have like 2 with an omelet or make some eggs, whatever you want to do. They're like absolutely delicious, and they're so easy to cook. So we have like a little mini deep freezer, so I just stocked up on those because they're kind of expensive. It's like $5 a pack, so that's why I stocked up on those. These were also buy one get one free, the Chobani flip cups. I had one of these for the first time in my last grocery haul, and I thought it was really good. And I get us yogurt all the time, so I got the cookies and cream and the s'mores one. I've been like really craving s'mores and cookies and cream, so I figured this would be a great way to satisfy that craving, but like have protein and stuff, so my body will be like satisfied too. I also got these single ones to try because I've never tried any of these flavors other than the s'mores, so I will have these as a snack each day for the next week or two. I hope they'll be good that long. I'm sure Nick will eat those too. Now this, I think I got the wrong milk. I tried to get the lactose-free one because that's the one I prefer. So whoops, Nick might be using that one. We stocked up on cottage cheese because it literally lasts forever in your fridge, and it's a great snack. I got this to try out for my morning oats. It's flax and chia blended together, and I think it's ground up. So I'm super excited to put this in my morning oats. I do overnight oats. I actually have a recipe. I'll show you in my next video. Back here is more omelets. I got a couple packs because you guys know I try to stock up on these because I don't do Publix very often. And then here's some Nick snacks, some Hot Pockets and Uncrustables. These were also BOGO, the Banza mac and cheese. I haven't had their products in a while and I was craving mac and cheese, so I thought this would be perfect because I'm pretty sure it's dairy free, which I kind of have to do sometimes. So we got those. I got some tuna and crackers from Nick, green onions, more strawberries, green beans, Alyssa's cookies. They're so bomb. If you've not tried them before, definitely try them. They're so good. It's like little oatmeal bites, like little oatmeal raisin cookies almost. So good. Avocados, another thing of omelets. And then I get these, I know, I'm so random. I get these kids meatballs because they taste better to me than like adult meatballs, I guess. And I wanted to make that recipe that you saw before, the Swedish meatballs, and I just thought this would be super easy. So got those. Last but not least from Publix, these were buy one or buy two, get one free. So I stocked back up on my sparkling water. So again, here's the overview of the Publix haul, and I still have Whole Foods coming. Whole Foods has more of like my weekly necessities. This was kind of like fun stuff and stuff that I can't get from Whole Foods. So we stock up at Publix because we don't shop there every week, but we do Whole Foods way more often. Time for haul number 2. I got a white rice because these are so convenient to have for recipes. And then also as like a carb for dinners, I got this gnocchi. There was that pesto gnocchi I told you about in the recipes, and I got this pesto. This is like my favorite pesto from Whole Foods or anywhere in general. Honestly, it's really good. These are super cool to add into meals. This was for the taco chicken. It needed salsa, so I'm gonna see how that is. Mushrooms for that one dish that I showed you, that pasta dish. I actually got another thing of tortillas. You'll notice there's some things we got double of on accident because I didn't realize that they were in both carts. So if you see doubles, that's what that's from. Sour cream for tacos. I saw this. This was super interesting. It's little hemp seeds that are covered in dark chocolate. I thought that would be really good. Maybe on my overnight oats, or maybe, I don't know, as a little snack. Breadcrumbs for a recipe. I thought this was cool because it was made with French bread. Fun. I got this Kerrygold cheddar for the chicken burgers. I needed Worcestershire sauce. This one's vegan. I don't really know what's in regular. I'm not sure how this is different from the other ones, but it was the only one that I could find in stock, so I got that one. I got these for Nick. They're so good. Well, I guess I'll have one too. It's the RX bars. The chocolate sea salt. These I had in the cart last week, but these didn't come last week because of that whole fiasco. So this chocolate and then the Hue chocolate, because that's my favorite. This is my literal favorite snack in the world, the Go-Go Squeeze. So convenient. Beans. This was also in the cart from last week. That was for a recipe that I didn't use them for, so now we have them. I got this freeze-dried garlic because I thought this would be better than that like pre-chopped garlic, because the pre-chopped garlic I don't think tastes good at all. So just to save some time, I'll see if this works. And then some chives for different recipes. Also, this is one of my other favorite snacks. It's the Mama Chia raspberry passion drink. It's made out of chia seeds, so a ton of omegas, but it helps me if I need something before lunch. And yeah, for PCOS, you want to have some omegas, so this is cool. We got beef for the taco meat. I think there's 2 in there. And then this is cool. This sausage doesn't have a casing, so it's not like, I don't know, I don't like sausage with casing, so this is going to be for the gnocchi. Eggs for whatever. And then this is our favorite kind of like chicken that we get. We got the chicken breast and the ground chicken for recipes. This is for chicken burgers. It's like a whole wheat brioche bun. They're really good. I also got the beef stock. That was for a recipe. This, I don't even know what this is because I didn't order this. They like substituted this. So yeah. And I don't even know what this is either. Sometimes they substitute and they don't ask. what you want. So I'll have to look online and see like what I originally got and why I got that. But I got a kiwi. I got some cereal. I was craving some like cereal and I was feeling nostalgic. So I got like the Honey Bunches of Oats dupe, and then I'm forgetting the name of this, but whatever the Whole Foods dupe for this one is. Fajita seasoning for tacos because I prefer the fajita seasoning. Another little treat. These are like the best olives at Whole Foods. They're like the green olives that are stuffed. I guess we got more Alyssa's cookies, so those were in this order too. That was doubled up. I might put those in the freezer. These are my favorite waters from Whole Foods. They're the still water. I think they're from like Italy or whatever, but they're in a glass bottle. So I feel better about using those. And then we got a ton of these yellow potatoes. I think for the Swedish meatballs, I don't know. I got 10 of them because sometimes when you order the yellow potatoes, they're super, super tiny, like even smaller than this. So I got 10 and now it's kind of a lot, but whatever. 2 avocados. So this was also something that was doubled up on our order. Some bananas, because I haven't had those in a while. Some garlic, in case I do want fresh garlic. And then last but not least is a super messy soap, so that's kind of annoying. This is my favorite dish soap. This is what it should look like, and this is how this one came. Like, ugh, hate that. But this is the haul. Time to put it all away. If you're wondering what the pantry looks like now, it's a little bit hectic. There's no organization. But this is what we're working with. It is a problem for another day. The shelves are out of hand. It's stocked up. We'll be good for a long, long time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope the next one is better. Love you guys. Bye.